Hi, I'm Josh, and we're here at our Henry Farm facility at Fall Creek. We're looking at Top Shelf here. These Top Shelf plants were planted in 2018. Top Shelf has a really nice big berry, uh, firm, not super firm, but very meaty. Traditionally, when we'll go into a field at somebody's and be looking at selections at a trial site, we'll find a variety, all start eating on it, and really fall in love with it, and every time it's Top Shelf. So we fall in love with it every time we see it. So it's really proven to be a really nice large berry, nice yielder. May not perform as well in some questionable areas of your field, salty, low, that kind of thing, but so it's not as tolerant to some more difficult soils. But overall, an excellent performer, and our customers have really loved it, and we imagine that you would too.